Chapter 2: Plumbing Materials. Introduction. There are numerous kinds of materials available for the plumbing installation, but so far the most popular and commonly used are: 1. Cast iron soil pipe. 2. Acid-resistant cast iron pipe. 3. Asbestos pipe. 4. Bituminous fiber sewer pipe. 5. Vitrified clay pipe. 6. Lead pipe. 7. Galvanized steel pipe. 8. Galvanized wrought iron pipe. 9. Brass pipe. 10. Copper pipe. 11. Plastic or synthetic pipe. 12. Stainless steel pipe. Not all of these materials enumerated, however, will be used in one plumbing system installation. The choice of the kind of pipe to be installed depends upon the following consideration: 1. Quality and durability. 2. Resistance to external and internal contact with foreign matters. 3. Resistance to acid waste and other chemical elements that will pass into it. 4. Cost of material and labor. Sometimes, a combination of two or more types of plumbing materials are used to suit the purpose intended for the installation, while availing of the advantages it offers to plumbing. Cast iron pipe. For the past several decades, the most popular and generally specified material for drainage system in buildings is the cast iron pipe. It is durable, conveniently installed, and answered to the most plumbing needs of all types of building less than 24-story high. However, buildings taller than 25-story do not specify to the use of cast iron pipe because of constant vibration, which causes water leak of the pipe joints. To a certain extent, cast iron pipe is also affected by corrosion, caused by the action of carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, and methane gases forming solution of carbonic acid and sulfuric acid. These acids attack the metallic material, causing a slow chemical reaction or oxidation to take place, forming ferrous oxide called rust. Cast iron pipe are of two types. 1. The S-bay type, which is generally used for building installation, and 2. The X-bay type, classified as extra-duty pipe used for underground installations. Cast iron pipes has four varieties. 1. Standard pipe. 2. Single hub pipe. 3. Double hub pipe. 4. Hubless pipe. Acid-resistant cast iron pipe is made from alloy of cast iron and silicon. It is widely used in chemical laboratories, industries, and other installations where acid waste are being discharged. Basically, this type of pipe is brittle in character and requires stronger support for each pipe installed horizontally to prevent sagging of joints. Asbestos pipe. Asbestos pipe is made of asbestos fibers and Portland cement. The thickness of the pipe is twice as that of the standard cast iron pipe. Asbestos pipe can be used as soil, waste, ventilation, and downspout. This kind of pipe is remarkably superior for embedment in concrete structure for having the same material properties. Joints. All joints are suitably grouted and firmly packed with oakum or old hemp rope. They are soaked in tar to be watertight and well secured with pure lead not less than 25 mm deep, well caulked or filled with cement mortar. For chimney joints, mineral lead is replaced with cement mortar. Bituminous fiber sewer pipe. Bituminous fiber sewer pipe is the cheapest among the sewer pipes. It is sometimes recommended for house sewer and for septic tank installation. This type of pipe is light in weight, slightly flexible, which could take slight soil movement without danger of cracking or pulling out from its joints. However, excessive hot water or chemical flow may soften or damage the pipe. Vitrified clay pipe. Vitrified clay pipe is one of the oldest material used for sewer lines. It is made out of clay, cast into length of 75 cm, treated with glazing compound. The pipe is heated in a large kiln under a temperature of 1373 degrees Celsius, making it impervious to moisture. Clay pipe is highly resistant to most acid waste. It is a durable material for underground installation like public sewer, house sewer, or storm drain. Being made of clay, its physical property is brittle. Hence, it should not be laid on an unstable ground base. There are T branch, Y branch, running T trap, offset, reducer, cut L, slant, square L, cut curve, short curve, and increaser. Lead pipe. Lead pipe is also one of the oldest plumbing materials used by the Egyptians, the Greek, and the Roman builders as soil and waste pipe. Lead is highly resistant to acid and is suitable for underground installation, but because lead is poisonous and injurious to human health, it is never used to convey water for human consumption. Galvanized steel pipe. Galvanized steel pipe is made out of mild steel, drawn to a die and welded, cast into 6 meters long. This type of pipe is easily corroded by alkaline and acid water. The carbon acid in water attack the zinc coating and ultimately the steel itself. It is subject to deposit of salt and lime that gradually accumulate and finally choke the flow of water. Galvanized steel pipe deteriorate faster when used as hot water supply line. There are socket, reducer socket, T, 90-degree straight elbow, 45-degree straight elbow, coupling, reducing elbow, reducing T, cross T, union, bushing, plug, cap, and nipple. Galvanized wrought iron pipe. Galvanized wrought iron pipe is better in quality than the steel pipe for plumbing installation. Test shows that wrought iron pipe is more resistant to acid waste than the steel pipe. Brass pipe. Brass pipe is one of the most expensive type of pipe. This pipe is made of an alloy or zinc and copper mix at 15% and 85% proportion respectively. Because of its smooth interior surface and high resistance to acid, brass pipe becomes superior material for waste and water supply installations. Brass pipe fittings are the recessed type similar in design with galvanized steel pipe. Copper pipe. Copper pipe is a durable and extremely corrosive resistant materials. It is easy to install compared with other type of pipe. Copper pipe is classified into 3 pipes, depending upon its wall thickness. 1. The K-type is the heaviest. It is suitable for underground installation. 2. The L-type is lighter than the K-type, available in both the rigid and flexible form. It is commonly used in residential water supply line and for radiant heating installation. 3. The type M is the thinnest and available only in rigid form. This type of copper pipe is especially designed for small water supply lines and for radiant heating installations. Comparatively, copper pipe costs little more than the steel pipe, but its fitting costs lesser than that of the steel pipe. And because of its very smooth interior surface, one size smaller pipe could be used instead, without substantially reduction of liquid flow. For instance, where a 25 mm or 1-inch diameter steel pipe is required, a 20 mm or 3/4 in diameter copper pipe is equally sufficient. Special feature of copper pipe. There are some special feature of copper pipe that are worthy to mention. They are: 1. Brass pipe could be used as drain and vent pipe. 2. It could be used as cold water supply line. 3. Copper pipe is remarkably excellent material for hot water lines. 4. It can replace rusted or choked up section of galvanized steel pipe. 5. No special tools required to install brass pipe nor threading is necessary. 6. It is bent easily. A flexible vertical line can offset existing structure. Underground lines can be rerouted around an obstruction. 7. Measuring is less critical. 8. It needs fewer joints and fitting. 9. It comes in longer length. 10. Copper pipe may be used one size smaller than a steel pipe. In installing hot water line, the use of bigger pipe should be avoided because heat loss on larger pipe is higher than on a smaller one. Copper pipe fittings. A. Spigot joint copper to galvanized steel. B. Flared or compression copper to galvanized steel. Plastic or synthetic pipes. Plastic pipe is a new concept in the field of plumbing. It was introduced in the Philippines at the early part of 70s, although this type of material was developed in Germany in the mid-year of 1935. Some codes, however, are still apprehensive in providing its use. According to Dembski, many codes have not been updated since the day when plastic was still in the test tube stage, and therefore do not make any mention of the type of plastic piping that are in the widespread use today. Building authorities have a reputation for hard-headedness, and it is not unknown for them to require the tearing down of an installation that does not conform to its codes. Plastic pipe has gained widespread acceptance after it has, in many ways, proven itself to be superior as sewer and cold water pipeline. Types of plastic synthetic pipe. A. The rigid type. B. The flexible type. The rigid type of plastic pipes are: 1. Polyvinyl chloride or PVC. 2. Chlorinated polyvinyl chloride or CPVC. 3. Unplasticized polyvinyl chloride or UPVC. 4. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene or ABS. 5. Polypropylene or PP. 6. Styrene rubber plastic or SR. The flexible types are: 1. The polyethylene or PE. 2. The polybutylene or PB. The PE and PB tubes are in coil form, available at 30 meters long. The PB tube is manufactured with special length up to 150 meters long in coil form. Recently, the plastic pipe being used for hot water lines are the chlorinated polyvinyl chloride or CPVC, the polyvinyl dichloride or PVDC, and the polypropylene or PP. It seems alright, but whether it could withstand hot water at 180 degrees Fahrenheit or higher temperature, plus the pressure of hot water for years without any amount of substantial collapse or damage to itself, is still a matter of facts to be proven. Thus, extensive research is still going on to develop plastic pipes suitable for hot water. Advantages of plastic pipe. 1. Plastic pipe is more resistant to rust and corrosion. 2. Water conveyed by plastic pipe has no pipe taste. 3. The extreme smooth interior surface prevent the buildup of scale, rust, and foreign material that often impedes flow through metallic pipes. 4. There are no turbulence of water and therefore has a minimum resistant to flow. 5. PVC pipe and fitting weight about one-fifth of the metal pipe. They are easily and quickly installed through solvent cementing. 6. Plastic pipe are cast and longer length and easy to cut as well as to install. 7. The polyethylene or PE pipe is flexible material that weight 1/8 as much as the steel pipe. For instance, a 100-meter 25 mm diameter coiled plastic pipe could be easily carried by one individual compared with metal pipe having the same length and diameter, which could be hardly carried by 5 persons. 8. PVC pipe can be connected to existing metal pipe using a threaded adapter. 9. PVC is virtually acid-proof to any chemical use and recommended strength around the home. 10. No special tools are needed for installing PVC except a rule to measure and a saw to cut. 11. The best reason at all. You can do it yourself. Certain chemicals such as methyl ethyl ketone or acetone, paint remover, or paintbrush cleaner should not be poured in PVC or any other drainage pipe. PVC pipe came in 6 meter and in rigid type it came in 3 meters. There are 90 degrees threaded tees, reducing tees, threaded elbows, 90-degree elbow, male threaded adapters, female threaded adapters, unions, sockets, reducing sockets, caps, reducer adapters. Plastic pipe fittings. 1/4 bend, 45-degree elbow, 90-degree long swept elbow. Y. Double bend. Coupling. Clean out plug. T. TY. Double TY. P-trap. Selecting your plastic pipes. Although plastic pipe is considered superior material for drainage and water supply system, not all plastic pipes that are being sold in the market are suitable for plumbing installation. Reputable manufacturers of good quality plastic pipes are simply honest with their customer. The physical and chemical properties of their manufactured pipes, such as the specific gravity, hardness, impact strength, compression, shearing, and tensile strength are published, including the test result and the characteristic value of the materials. Not until such technical data is published for the user's information, the use of said pipe is doubtful and risky for plumbing use. Most of these plastic pipes and fittings are produced from synthetic resins. The chemistry of plastic is perplexing, and the finished product could appear in a great variety of form and colors. It is derived from coal and petroleum products. The first plastic materials introduced about 100 years ago was called celluloids, followed by the bakelite that developed in 1905. And now, the polyethylene, or PE, was remarkably successful in water piping services for more than 50 years. Extensive research on plastic product towards standardization of quality have started in 1945, when various plastic materials were introduced for plumbing use. In 1972, approximately 4,500 state, country, and city codes permitted the use of plastic pipe for all or a portion of plumbing system. The plumbing code that was promulgated by the Association of Plumbing Officials and the Plumbing Contractors was called Model Code. Support: PVC and CPVU installation must be supported when hanging from the ceiling, rafter, or floor joist. The distance recommended between hangers are presented in the following tables. Please refer to Table 2 to 24. The model codes that approve the use of plastic pipe for plumbing system are: 1. The National Standard Plumbing Code. 2. Building Officials and the Code Administration International. 3. National Association of Plumbing, Heating, Cooling Contractors. 4. Southern Standard Plumbing Code. 5. Southern Building Code Congress. 6. Uniform Standard Plumbing Code. 7. International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Official.